The 7 Archangels. The role of the Archangels. Section Overview. In this section, we will meet the 7 Archangels that you will be working with as part of an Advanced Angelic Healing. This section is attuning you individually to the powerful energy of each of these Archangels. It is intended to be treated as a meditation, and there are very few words on the screens. You may well feel more comfortable just closing your eyes and listening. The script is available to download as your favourite bedtime reading material. Do not drive while listening to this. You may find yourself feeling very altered. However, the graphics are very beautiful and are also part of the alignment, so take time to watch them if you can keep your eyes open. You will be divining one of these archangels to work with your client during the Guardian Archangel procedure that you will learn.